Thank you, Paul. This is a wonderful question. Breaking out of the comfort zone is a real challenge. First of all, one has to be hungry. Hungry enough that you're tired of being tired. This takes a mindset change, meaning you'll have to be surrounded with people who are where you want to go. Because when you're in your comfort zone, you don't know what you don't know. So you're comfortable there, and even when you try, you find a way to slide back into the comfort zone. So the number one thing is being around like minds, finding people who are going where you're going and hang with them, because that way your mindset starts to change. Secondly, having accountability partners. I have had accountability partners for the longest time because we have to retrain ourselves from the poor mindset into a prosperity mindset. Then, thirdly, learning and applying yourself, finding books. Yes, sometimes it may be hard to read, but it's necessary. Remember, you're almost turning a Titanic ship into a different direction. So this will take force, it will take commitment, determination to change, but it is doable. You need community. So like being here in the Voice of Success is a good place where you exchange ideas and you continue feeding yourself until you break out of that mindset that is comfortable and holding you back to a place where you want to go. But in summary, masterminding is the number one thing. Hanging out with like-minded people, accountability partners, so that you learn and apply whatever you're doing, and that should help. If you change your mindset, remember, as a man thinketh, so is he. So you easily create what you want if you think the way that the thing you're going for is. This is Mother Eagle. Thanks. Bye.